So how to fix Roblox not launching? First thing, search here for Roblox, click on your right mouse, click on run as administrator. And if it's still not working, even if you try that, then you have to search for settings. Search for settings like that. It will take you here. Now go to the search for background apps, and then all what you want to do here is disable all these options that you don't need, like that, exactly like that. For example, I don't need the camera, I don't need the let's say the mail and calendar. Okay, I don't need, for example, the maps, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.